Today I want to show you how to replace the ink cartridge in your TAPiTAG Smart Pen. To replace it, you just got to pull this part away from the body of the pen. You can do this with a small bit of force. This main piece will come off. Please note the stylus is at the top. Remove the stylus from the top and leave it aside until you are putting the pen back together. This part here is where the ink cartridge is held, so you just got to, again, remove this from the body of the pen. You can use a small bit of force on this, and then that will come apart, just like so. Now, a couple of pieces that you will see coming out. I'll just make sure that I get it. There is a spring. You will need to put the new cartridge into the spring like so, pop that back in. You can pop your tip back on the top and then pop the body back on then as well. So let's put this section back in. So that's what you should look like before you put the main body of the pen back on. And once we stick this on, you will hear a click. And that is how you replace the ink cartridge in your TAPiTAG Smart Pen.